Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and then click on the button on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review. And this is of a Crenova A6500 home video projector. So let's see what comes in the box. Okay, this is the box I'm guessing for the accessories. Okay, so they give you HDMI cable, the power cable, and this is for the audio video cable. This is for the regular RCA cables. There's a remote control. And then this is to clean the lens, the manual, warranty card, and this is other stuff. Let's see, this in case you want to contact the company or whatever, Crenova. So I'm going to pull out the projector. Let me get this out of the way. So this is the projector itself. So here's the front side of the projector, the top, and then the sides is where they have the vents and the fans that could vent out. And this is the back part. So you can see this VGA to connect the PC, the infrared, 2 USB, 2 HDMIs for the headset, and this is for the audio video. This is where you connect the cable. And then it also has a spot for the SD cards as well. And this is just a regular switch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the review on this one. Oh, and then just real quick, the finish is really nice. It looks like wood, like a wood grain here on the top. And then this is just like a flat black or matte black. This is pretty cool. So let me go ahead and do the review and then check out to see what all the features it has. Okay, so here's the setup. I have it with my laptop through the HDMI, and I'm using the HDMI 1, and you just plug it in. Of course, that's the power switch, and then this button here is how you power it on. Let me get a good look at the menu up here. So it has the menu button, the M, the source is the S, OK is to enter. This button here is to go back, and then the arrows are to maneuver throughout the menu. And in the controller, it has the same thing. So let me go ahead and before I get to it, this up here is the focus. This one here up on top, and then this is the Keystone. So I'll show you when I'm doing the video up there so you can see. So let me go ahead and turn off the lights. Okay, so here I'm projecting on my wall, and like I said, the Keystone is, I think this is better so you can see how it tilts the screen, because a lot of times when they hang it on the ceiling, this will help you adjust the screen and make it straight for wherever you're at. But if you're on a flat surface, it should be right in the middle, the thing there. And then the focus is basically how you focus it out or in. I don't know if you can see, it starts getting blurry, and there you go. That looks a lot cleaner there. And let me go through the menus really quick. So the menu, it has the picture mode, and here you could adjust it. So let me go into it real quick. You see how it has the medium, that's how it's set, but you could actually set it up for soft, and you can see the different values there for contrast, brightness, color. They're pre-designated on there, so medium, soft, and this is user defined, so you could actually go in here and adjust it yourself. And then vivid, there's another preset as well, but I'm just gonna leave it at medium. So let me go back and get out of that real quick. So, and then the color temperature is the same thing. Different settings that are already pre-designated for medium. Warm, it's user defined. Cool, so I'm just gonna leave it at medium. Let me go back there. The aspect ratio, the different aspect ratios that you can choose. The noise reduction, different options that you have there as well. And then the reduce display size. So here you could actually decrease or bring it up to 100%. So from 100%, the smallest you can get is 75% of the screen size. So it depends on how far you go back that it projects that you'll be able to see. Let me go ahead and I left that at 75. Let me go in there. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at 100. Okay. And then here the sound mode. Again, there's another menu where you can, it's already preset for medium. There's music, movie, sports, and then of course user defined. So I'm just gonna leave it at medium. The balance, you can change the different balance types. Oh, I guess not. I guess it's already preset for 0, since I think you probably have to hook up some kind of sound system in order to get a balance on that, or that just maybe by default. Okay, the auto volume off. I guess you can only change it to off and on. Go back. The surround sound, you could do SRS, true surround, XT, or surround sound. I guess the default is off, so I'll just leave it like that. Clock, the off time, on time, you could actually set it when to turn on and turn off, when to go to sleep. Auto sleep. The language, you could change the restore to factory default is there. Rotate, let's see what rotate, oh, okay. That's if you're gonna hang it on the ceiling, you would rotate to different settings. So 0 is just if you're gonna have it like I do here on a table. And the other ones are for when you're gonna hang it on the ceiling. So OSD duration off. Oh, okay. I guess this is for how long you want to keep the menu on. So I'm just gonna keep it off. And then software update. You could update the software on it through the USB, and you just have to download it from the manufacturer. Okay, so those are all the menus. So let me get out of this thing here. Okay, so we're back there. So let me go ahead and show a video real quick, just so you could hear the sound and see the color. Let's see, I have one already on there. Okay. Okay, this is a video that I had created previously. And the colors are very bright. I don't know if you can see how they're coming through. Really good and really nice. This is like a forest, so you can see all the different colors from the forest. They're coming out pretty good. And like I said, you could change all the definitions, like the user defined, like for the color balance and all of that, the brightness, and make it look better, depending on how bright you want a certain color or how good you want it to come across. go ahead and pause that for now. Okay, I got out of the video already. I just wanted to show you real quick the source. When you plug it in, it has VGA, HDMI, which I'm connected to. And like VGA and the audio video, like the RCA cables, they'll just display that there's nothing in there. If there's anything plugged in, it'll show, but there's nothing plugged in, so it'll show blue. And the same with the audio video. But like if you use like USB or the SD card, if you select it, I don't have anything plugged into the USB, but a menu will come up depending on what you're using it for, like movies, music, photos, or text. And this will, you basically select, like if you can see going through the menu, what you have on the USB, and then it will try to read it off of it. The same with the memory card as well. Like if you're going to use a memory card, it's going to ask you, a little menu is going to come up, the same one, telling you, you know, what is it that you have on your memory card, photos, music, video, or movie or whatever, and or a text. So hope that explains everything. Oh, and like I said, I showed you the finish of the projector. It's really nice. Quality is really good. The menu is really good. I'm going through it. And it's pretty cool that you can do the updates through the USB. And it has the infrared in the front and in the back. So you can point the, let me go ahead and do that now. So you can see, you can actually point the, if you're in the front looking forward, the projector in the front. So, you know, I mean, you could just, depending on where you have it set up, the remote control will work in the front of the projector because it has a sensor, and then also in the back of the projector. So depending on where you position it, you'll be able to access it without any problem. So hope you like this video, and it helps a lot, you know, to decide whether or not you want to get one of these. I'm going to put the link where I got it from. I got it on Amazon. And I hope you like the video. Leave comments, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you very much.